Hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I went to two different Dollaramas and I found these beautiful yarn. I'm gonna use these yarn for the homeless. Yeah, this one didn't have a tag, but it's the similar fur yarn as this one. I haven't been to Dollarama for months. I try not to go there as I go crazy. I wish I did. I miss these yarns. These yarns are perfect for the homeless. They're acrylic and they're perfect. Look at the color. So I found total of three balls of the brown, and I unfortunately only found two on the black and white. It's Dollarama, but nothing is for $1 anymore. This one's $4.50. Knitting yarn, and it gives you the alpaca look. So I think I went over this, but just wanted to show you the black and white as well. It's super soft. So I'm gonna make scarves, and I bought these. There were only two. These are fur yarn, and they're $4.50. And these are like $10 here, I think. Well, if you find it, grab it. Yeah, I haven't seen these. Michael's used to sell them, but not anymore. Okay, while I was at it, I did a yarn boxing on the 29th. I bought some Panda yarn. It's called Panda yarn. And what you do is, I'm going to make a house coat for myself. Just trying to figure out where to put these. They're bulky, right? And yeah, let me just put them back in the bag that I took them out, or else, yeah. So on Ice Yarn, I ordered a couple of different yarn. Okay, when you say a couple of different, you're gonna say, "Oh, she went over $20." No, I didn't. They're under $20. I don't want to pay custom. Custom starts from $20 and over. Custom, or I don't know what they call it, duty. They call something, but because I did not go over $20. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, it doesn't say here how much. Just wanted to show you, but it doesn't give you how much. It says 1 kilogram, 1.2 kilogram, so it's over a kilogram, but it doesn't give. It used to give you the prices, but not anymore. Yeah, I paid $37 for shipping. Okay, there's that easy way to open this. I found it here. Okay. It's right here. So the yarn, it's in a big bag. So I bought 3 different yarn, and they're all total amount is under 20 Canadian dollars. Okay, and I do have a couple of more in my why doesn't this open? Oh well, didn't work. I'm just gonna grab a scissor. So very dirty, as you can see. Oh, look what this. Oh, it's not the same yarn. No, it's not the same yarn as I bought from Jehun. Oh no. I can make hats with this. Okay, this is the number 41765. So I paid $12.99 for this. Canadian again. The price are in Canadian because I live in Canada. Oh no, it's not. Oh, this is way thinner. Oh, I'm happy with my other buy. Now, this is regular Burnett. What's it called? Pick Squeak. Yeah, it's the same. The one I bought on the 29th that I did the unboxing, that's really thick. Yeah. So if you want to make hats, especially the bucket hat that I did the tutorial, you need to knit with two. This is 100% acrylic. There's no cotton in it, but it gives you that cotton feeling, that towely feeling when you touch it. It says microfiber. Yeah. Okay, let's carry on. And okay, this was on sale for $5.40, and there's 400 gram here. Oh, very nice. This is on sale. I'll give you the number again. 72104. Oh wow, this would be perfect for a vest. Yeah, I'm planning to make vests and post them on my Etsy shop, but I can make one for myself as well. Might grab another bag of this. This is fantastic. I love the color. Yeah, and it's really soft, you know, to protect your shoulders, your back. Sale. There's a little bit of wool in this, but it's really hard to read. Yeah, definitely. See, 10% wool. Yeah, these kind of yarn. See, the one that I bought from Hobby. It's the same quality as this. It's just the Ice Yarn brand. They just put their own label. So when you look at them, these all have wool in it. See, it says this one has 13 mohair. Mohair is goat fiber. So that's what it is. And I'm sure when they say wool, it should be mohair, because that's very popular in Turkey. Wool being mohair. Yeah, they make it most sheep. Yeah, I believe it gives me the same feeling, and it's the same thick, so I can knit with a number 7, 6 to 7 with this. Yeah, definitely 400 gram. I'm gonna grab another ball. This is really lovely. I'm really happy with this buy, and it's only $5.40 in Canadian. Again, all these yarn are winter. Well, not the Barbie pink. The Barbie pink is on regular price. Okay, the last one I bought this leg. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at the pastel color. I do have a cone of this actually. Yeah, this is nice too. Okay, I'll give you the number. The reason I bought it being boucle, so I'm going to do 2-ply, of course, or maybe add a different strand. I have similar colors in my cones. So 77046, and it's called Durban Pastel Colors. This was on sale as well for $5.40 for the entire 400 gram. Fantastic deal. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, super soft. Oh my goodness. This is fantastic. So it's boucle yarn. Look at the feeling is so soft. So again, I'm going to do this 2-strand to knit with it. Even look at the colors. It has all the beautiful pastel colors: yellow, peach, blue. Yeah. You need to start with one ball and then continue on with the next color, or else it won't look good on the color changing as long. Okay, so let's see what's inside. This one has, again, wool, mohair, 13% mohair, 15% polyester. It gives you the nice softness. And the rest, 8%, is nylon. Oh yeah, fantastic. And then the rest is acrylic, 64%. But it is super soft. Oh my goodness. And they only have this color, unfortunately, because these are all outlet sales. So Yeah, I'm gonna definitely add that to my thingy here. Just checking. I'm just checking the website. I was on iceyarns.com. They have two different websites, iceyarns and yarnparadise.com. So yeah, I'll love this. Oh, my internet is slow. Or there's something wrong with their website, or there's so many people going in, and the website is too slow. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Oh, here it is. Yeah. So Canadian. Actually, this one is $2.68. Oh, this is fantastic. So I might buy two of that. I'm gonna buy two. So $2.68. This is $2. It's not one ball. It's for the entire 8 balls, 400 gram. I think it's 400 gram. Let me just check this. Yeah, there's 8 in it, so it's 400 gram. This is just fantastic. $2. The regular price was $20.20. Now it's down to $2.68. Oh, this is fantastic. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, I'm gonna add two more so I can knit something nice and warm for myself. Yeah. The booklet, I'm checking the booklet just to give you the exact price, or I gave you the numbers, the code, so you can go into the code and you can get the price as well. You just need to write the numbers on the search button, and it's that easy. So orders, I'm just checking again. So 6 days ago, I ordered this 6 days ago, and it arrived on Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, so $4.03 for this one. Oh, I'm sorry, this one was $12.12. And the shipping was express. I paid $30.93. So the yarn, it's unbelievable. The yarn is $18.83 Canadian dollars, $18.83, and the shipping is like, wow, $30. Well, it came with express. That's the thing. You know, when within Canada you buy a couple of balls of yarn and then you pay so much fee for the shipping, right? So I think it's brilliant. I just love their service, and I hope they continue doing this great service for us, especially living far away, and yarn is really hard to find here. When you find it, you grab it. That's our goal. Well, I hope you like this short unboxing. I just wanted to share what I arrived and what I purchased. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified. They will let you know, YouTube will let you know that, yeah, there's something new for you to check out. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next videos. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye. Oh, this is really nice. Really, really nice.